Hey there, DIYers and homeowners. Welcome back to your channel name, where I help you tackle your home improvement projects safely and effectively. I'm your host, your name. Today we're diving into the world of electricity, specifically, common electrical mistakes that many people make when working on their homes. Whether you're replacing an outlet or rewiring a light switch, these errors can lead to safety hazards, costly repairs, or even fires if not addressed properly. But don't worry, I'll also share practical tips to avoid them. So, grab your safety goggles and let's get started. First up is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes: overloading outlets. Have you ever seen those power strips with 5 or 6 devices plugged in? While it might seem convenient, overloading an outlet can cause overheating, which may lead to electrical fires. To avoid this, follow these simple steps. 1. Check the wattage rating on your outlets and never exceed it. Most standard outlets are rated for 15 amps, or about 1,800 watts. 1. Use quality surge protectors instead of cheap power strips. Surge protectors will shut off automatically if they sense too much current flowing through. 1. Spread out high-power appliances like space heaters, microwaves, and air conditioners across different circuits. Safety first, folks. Next mistake: failing to turn off the power at the breaker before starting any electrical work. This is a recipe for disaster, literally. You could shock yourself, damage wiring, or worse. Here's what you need to do. 1. Always locate your main breaker panel and flip the corresponding switch to off. Double-check by testing the outlet or fixture with a multimeter or voltage tester. 1. If you're unsure which breaker controls the area you're working on, turn off the entire main breaker as a precaution. Remember, taking an extra minute to verify no power is running can save your life. Mistake number 3 is using the wrong type of wire or connectors for the job. For example, using indoor-rated cables outside exposes them to moisture, leading to corrosion and potential short circuits. To fix this, 1. Always choose the correct wire gauge based on the amperage requirements of your project. Thicker wires handle more current. 1. Use weatherproof boxes and covers for outdoor installations. 1. Secure all connections tightly with appropriate wire nuts or connectors designed for the specific application. Loose connections equal bad news. Tighten everything securely. Our 4th mistake involves ignoring proper grounding and polarity. Grounding provides a safe path for excess electricity to travel in case of a fault, while polarity ensures that the hot and neutral wires are connected correctly. How to avoid this? 1. Make sure every outlet has a grounding wire attached properly. 1. Test outlets with a receptacle tester to confirm correct wiring. These testers are inexpensive and super easy to use. If the lights indicate reversed polarity or no ground, call a professional electrician to fix it. Finally, a big mistake many DIY enthusiasts make is neglecting permits and building codes. Skipping this step might save time initially, but it can result in fines, insurance issues, or unsafe installations down the road. Before starting any major electrical project, check with your local authorities about permit requirements. Even small jobs like adding a new outlet might require approval depending on where you live. Following code ensures your work meets safety standards and protects your investment. And there you have it, 5 common electrical mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's recap. 1. Don't overload outlets. 1. Always turn off the power before working. 1. Use the right wires and connectors for the job. 1. Pay attention to grounding and polarity. 1. Never skip permits and codes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on home improvement and DIY projects. And remember, when in doubt, call a licensed electrician. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.